first problem was we are given an array of words and we are also given a string of prefix. We just need to find out whether prefix is contained in each of the words mentioned here or not. For example, if prefix has 80, then attention is a valid word because attention has a prefix 80. Similarly, attend also is a valid word because attend also has a prefix 80. So what we have to do uh, is select whether each word is valid or not. So let's suppose we have a function name has prefix which takes in maybe two string and it will return whether s is prefix of str is a prefix has prefix pref or not. Okay, so let's say you have this function implemented already. So the question is now straightforward. We just need to iterate over each of the element, basically each of the word, and if this function returns us that whether I is a prefix, I has prefix pref, then we will just increment the answer. Now, how to implement this function? It is very straightforward. We just need to check whether every character of pref is there in str or not. So there is like first we will check whether the length itself is greater or not. So because if the length of entire prefix is itself greater than entire string, then this string cannot have this prefix. So for example, if str is equals to abcd but prefix is equals to, let's say, abcde, then no matter what the characters of str are, we it can't have this long prefix. So in this case we will just return false, and otherwise we will, let's say this is not the case, let's say this is prefix and this is string, then we will just need to compare each character of prefix with the corresponding characters in s one by one. So we will just do iterate over the prefix, and if prefix of j equals to str of j, then we will continue iterating. Otherwise, there is a character which doesn't match with prefix, so it can't have this particular prefix. So for example, if let's say str has acdd and prefix is abc, so we will go to a, prefix is a, move forward, go to b, prefix is b, then when we hit a d for str and c for prefix, we will say that okay, this is not matching, so this abc can't have prefix abdd, so we will just return false, and if everything succeeds we will return true.